My Hayward Pool Vac Ultra was not running for more than about 30 seconds, or it wasn't moving. So I'd already thought I'd cleaned it out, but what I ended up finding was a couple of nectarine kernels that were caught in the mechanism, and they were sort of moving around, so it wasn't obvious. So as you probably know, there's a cover that you can unscrew and pull off, which is I had. Now if you want to test it, sometimes it's yes, you can just spin it, and obviously you can put it in the pool, but you can't really check it for any long period of time, so it becomes a bit of a pain. But what I figured, that as you know, the water normally gets sucked up and flows through there, but something really simple that you can do is, if you have just a hose, or in this case laundry tap, you can just run the water, and then the little spindle acts as a water wheel. Run it as long as you like, so that's the normal speed, I guess, that it would normally operate at. And so that looks like it's working normal speed. Lets it flush out, proves that the walking mechanism is working, and then we're good to go. So that's just an easy little way of just verifying that there's nothing obvious with the internal gears. I have pulled them apart before, and I think there was a bit of grit in one of the planetary gear systems. So at this stage, all I needed to do was remove these little guys caught in there, and I'm home and hosed.